guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Forum and you are watching FMA makeup tutorials. There's an important announcement which I want to make. I have crossed 1000 followers on Instagram and I am going to host a giveaway there. So please do not forget to check out my Instagram account if you're watching this video and you love to participate in a giveaway. It's going to be a worldwide giveaway and everyone can participate by just following few little steps, and let's get into the video. So today I am going to review the brand new CATS Pajama Palette by Laura Lee. Okay, so let me just brief you about this palette. This palette is being launched by a very beautiful YouTuber, Laura Lee, and she's launched her own independent brand, and she's got this beautiful eyeshadow palette which has 10 shades in it. It's a pretty compact and it's a very handy eyeshadow palette. It's a small one, yet it's so pretty and so elegant. It is completely silver from the outside. So this has 10 shades. The first impression while opening this palette is the colors are limited. I mean, there are not many colors to play with, but they are basics and smoky both. So they are nudes and smoky kind of a palette. So this is a handy one. You can just take this palette anywhere you want to go and you can create quite a few looks out of it. Also, one more thing, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, guys, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell icon so that you don't miss the video whenever I upload one. I usually upload on Mondays and Thursdays. Do not forget to check out my videos and comment, like and share, guys. So without wasting time, let's get started. I'm starting with some concealer on my eyes as my primer because I literally feel that the concealers are the best eyeshadow primers. Just a little bit under my eyes as well, so that the colors fix at its place. So I'll be beginning with the shade called Bum Diggity. That's a very nude and beigeish color, and I'll just start putting it into my crease and set the base for our eyes. I'm just going to take a softer blending brush and dip it into Cookie, and let's blend this into the crease, guys. I love how these colors are deepening up my crease, and I'm just going to use the same Cookie color inside my inner corner as well. So I want to create that halo effect out of this. Ooh, nice. Do you see how pigmented that colors are? So after deepening up this eyeshadow, I'm just going to take the same fluffy brush and I'm going to dig in some Cry Cry color. Such a beautiful name she has named the colors. And I'm just trying to blend out these edges. Laura Lee has given her shades such a pet names. Now I am just going to take that Okie Dokie and highlight my brow bone. It looks so natural and so pretty that I just wanted to use it in the middle of my eyeshadow. This is my last step which I do after my eyebrows, but I so wanted to dig it into Okie Dokie that I just did that. Anyways, I want to do some nice cut crease look today, so I'm going to go into the center of my eyes by cutting it and creating a beautiful spotlight look. Okay, so I am just going to use some Scatterbrain. Oh, I love this shade. And Cookie with the same brush, and I'll just blend this entire spotlight. So I've just sprayed a little bit of fixing spray on this, and this color has so much of shine in it that I can't take my eyes off this. So I'll be going with the same Cookie color right under my eyes as well. And just by taking a pointed brush, I'm going to go in Oddball, that's a black color, and I'm just going to fill it right under my eye. And I'll just quickly do my liner on this. So I'll be just taking a kohl pencil and completely fill my waterline with the black color. And some mascara. and then falsies. Not to forget the lower lash line. So I'll just quickly finish my other eyes and I'll be right back, and then I'll give you the final thoughts on the CATS Pajama Palette by Laura Lee. So here's my final look, guys. I've just done all my base and my lipstick and everything. I hope that you like this look. I am loving it. So the final reviews on the CATS Pajama Palette right here by Laura Lee is thumbs up. I like the palette. It's first, at the initials, I thought that this is not gonna be very experimental. It's not gonna give me too many looks, but I guess after using this palette, I guess I changed my mind. I think that the colors here are very playful and you can totally create wonders out of this palette. It's a tiny little palette like Laura Lee is, but I really love the palette. You can just put it in your purse and you can just go out with it and you can just play around whenever you want. And this is it for today. I hope that you like this look. If you like the look, please do not forget to hit the like button and do not forget to hit the subscribe button before you leave. Also, please do comment in the comment section below if you've used this Laura Lee palette and how do you feel about it. This was it for today. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.